Welcome to our exploration of Life Path 6. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the profound meaning and hidden secrets behind this fascinating life path number. But before we delve into the intricacies of Life Path 6, let's take a moment to understand the fundamental principles of numerology. Numerology is the ancient practice of assigning significance to numbers, believing that they hold unique vibrations and energies that influence our lives. Life paths, in particular, are derived from our date of birth and offer profound insights into our personalities, strengths, and life's purpose. Now, let's introduce the captivating symbol known as the flower of life. This sacred geometric pattern is composed of multiple, evenly spaced, overlapping circles, forming a mesmerizing floral-like motif. For Life Path 6 individuals, the flower of life holds special significance, symbolizing harmony, balance, and interconnectedness, all qualities deeply associated with the essence of Life Path 6. Life Path 6 is often referred to as the number of balance, harmony, and responsibility in numerology. Individuals born under this life path are believed to possess inherent qualities that emphasize these aspects in their lives. 1. Balance. Life Path 6 individuals are naturally inclined towards seeking balance and equilibrium in all areas of their lives. They strive to maintain harmony between various aspects such as work and personal life, relationships, and spirituality. This balance-seeking nature enables them to navigate life's challenges with a sense of poise and stability. 2. Harmony. Harmony is a central theme in the lives of Life Path 6 individuals. They have a deep appreciation for peace, cooperation, and unity, both within themselves and in their relationships with others. They often act as mediators and peacemakers, seeking to resolve conflicts and foster understanding among those around them. 3. Responsibility. Individuals with Life Path 6 are known for their strong sense of responsibility towards themselves, their families, and their communities. They take their obligations seriously and are committed to fulfilling their duties with integrity and diligence. This sense of responsibility drives them to contribute positively to society and make a meaningful impact in the lives of others. 4. Nurturing and compassionate nature. Life Path 6 individuals possess a nurturing and compassionate disposition. They are deeply empathetic and sensitive to the needs of others, often placing the well-being of their loved ones above their own. They derive fulfillment from caring for and supporting those around them, whether it's their family, friends, or community members. 5. Family-oriented. Family holds great significance for individuals with Life Path 6. They prioritize creating a loving and supportive family environment and derive immense joy from spending time with their loved ones. Their nurturing nature extends to their roles as parents, siblings, or children, where they often play the role of caregivers and protectors. The flower of life is a sacred geometric pattern that holds within it the secrets of creation and interconnectedness. Its intricate design consists of multiple, evenly spaced, overlapping circles arranged in a symmetrical pattern, forming a mesmerizing floral-like shape. But what makes the flower of life truly extraordinary is its inherent symbolism and the profound wisdom it embodies. At its core, the flower of life represents the fundamental patterns of existence, the building blocks of the universe itself. Each circle within the flower of life is not just a geometric shape. It is a symbol of unity, wholeness, and infinite potential. As these circles intersect and overlap, they create a network of interconnected pathways, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all life forms and the underlying unity of the cosmos. Moreover, the flower of life is deeply rooted in the principles of sacred geometry, a universal language that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. Sacred geometry reveals the underlying order and harmony that governs the universe, from the smallest atom to the grandest galaxies. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now listen and pay close attention. Through the study of sacred geometry, we come to understand that everything in the universe is interconnected and interdependent, each part intricately linked to the whole. The flower of life serves as a visual representation of this cosmic interconnectedness, reminding us of our inherent connection to all of creation. But the significance of the flower of life extends beyond its symbolic meaning. It is also believed to hold potent energetic vibrations that can facilitate healing, transformation, and spiritual awakening. Meditating on the intricate patterns of the flower of life is said to activate dormant aspects of consciousness, leading to profound insights and inner revelations. In essence, the flower of life is a symbol of unity, harmony, and the interconnectedness of all things. It invites us to recognize our place within the vast tapestry of creation and to embrace the inherent beauty and divinity that resides within each of us. As we awaken to the profound wisdom encoded within this sacred symbol, we are reminded of the eternal dance of creation and our role as co-creators of our reality. Life Path 6 individuals are the embodiment of harmony, striving to create balance not only within themselves, but also in their relationships, communities, and the world at large. At the core of their being lies a deep-seated desire for equilibrium and tranquility, driving them to seek harmony in all aspects of their lives. For Life Path 6 individuals, harmony is more than just a lofty ideal. It is a guiding principle that shapes their actions and decisions. They are acutely aware of the interconnectedness of all things and understand that true balance can only be achieved when every aspect of life is in alignment. This innate sense of harmony is reflected in their relationships, where Life Path 6 individuals serve as pillars of support and stability for their loved ones. They have a natural talent for fostering strong, nurturing bonds and are often seen as the glue that holds their families and communities together. But perhaps what sets Life Path 6 individuals apart is their unwavering commitment to service. They find fulfillment in contributing to the well-being of others, whether through acts of kindness, volunteer work, or compassionate caregiving. Their nurturing nature compels them to lend a helping hand wherever it is needed, seeking to ease the burdens of those around them and spread love and positivity wherever they go. In essence, Life Path 6 individuals are the embodiment of selflessness and compassion, dedicated to creating a world where all beings can thrive in harmony and unity. Through their nurturing spirit and commitment to service, they inspire others to embrace the power of love and compassion, fostering a more harmonious and compassionate world for generations to come. Who should Life Path number 6 start a relationship with? Well, Life Path 6 individuals are naturally drawn to relationships that mirror their nurturing and compassionate nature. They thrive in partnerships where there is a strong foundation of mutual respect, support, and emotional connection. When it comes to marriage, compatibility for Life Path 6 individuals often lies with those who appreciate and reciprocate their caring and supportive demeanor. Ideal partners for Life Path 6 individuals are often found among those who share similar values and priorities. This includes individuals who prioritize family, community, and service to others. Compatibility is enhanced when both partners align in their desire to create a harmonious and nurturing environment, not only within their relationship, but also in the world around them. Life Path 6 individuals are also drawn to partners who possess a strong sense of empathy and compassion. They value emotional intelligence and seek relationships where there is open communication, empathy, and understanding. Being able to connect on a deep emotional level is essential for Life Path 6 individuals, as they thrive in relationships where they feel truly seen, heard, and supported. Additionally, Life Path 6 individuals are attracted to partners who complement their nurturing nature with stability and practicality. They appreciate partners who can provide a sense of security and stability, allowing them to feel grounded and supported in their endeavors. This balance between nurturing and stability creates a strong foundation for a lasting and fulfilling partnership. Life Path 6 individuals possess a multitude of strengths that contribute to their harmonious and nurturing nature. One of their primary strengths lies in their innate sense of responsibility towards others and their community. They excel in caretaking roles, willingly taking on the well-being and needs of those around them. Their nurturing nature extends beyond their immediate circle to encompass a deep sense of compassion for humanity as a whole. Another notable strength of Life Path 6 individuals is their ability to create harmony in their relationships and environments. They have a natural knack for resolving conflicts, mediating disputes, and fostering a sense of unity among diverse groups. Their diplomatic skills and empathetic approach make them invaluable peacemakers and mediators in both personal and professional settings. Life Path 6 individuals also excel in providing emotional support and guidance to others. Their compassionate nature enables them to empathize deeply with the struggles and challenges faced by those around them, offering a comforting presence and wise counsel. They are often seen as pillars of strength and stability by friends, family, and colleagues alike. However, like all life paths, Life Path 6 individuals also have their weaknesses or shadow sides that they must navigate. One common challenge for Life Path 6 individuals is their tendency towards being overly idealistic. They may set unrealistic expectations for themselves and others, leading to disappointment when reality falls short of their lofty ideals. Additionally, Life Path 6 individuals may struggle with self-sacrifice, prioritizing the needs of others at the expense of their own well-being. While their nurturing nature is admirable, it's essential for them to establish healthy boundaries and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout and resentment. Life Path 6 holds within it a wealth of hidden secrets and deeper meanings that extend beyond the surface of everyday life. At its core, Life Path 6 individuals are deeply connected to the spiritual realm, guided by an innate wisdom that transcends earthly boundaries. They are the seekers of truth, the guardians of harmony, and the stewards of universal love. One of the hidden secrets of Life Path 6 lies in their profound connection to the concept of balance and harmony. They understand that true fulfillment comes from aligning with the natural rhythms of the universe and embracing the interconnectedness of all things. Through their nurturing and compassionate nature, Life Path 6 individuals serve as conduits for divine love, spreading light and healing wherever they go. Another secret of Life Path 6 is their ability to discern the deeper meaning behind life's challenges and lessons. They recognize that every obstacle is an opportunity for growth, every setback a chance for transformation. By embracing the trials and tribulations presented to them, Life Path 6 individuals can unlock their true potential and ascend to higher levels of spiritual awareness. Furthermore, Life Path 6 individuals possess a profound sense of intuition and inner knowing that guides them on their journey. They are attuned to the whispers of the soul and the subtle energies that permeate the cosmos, allowing them to navigate life with grace and wisdom. Through meditation, reflection, and spiritual practices, Life Path 6 individuals can deepen their connection to their inner guidance and unlock the mysteries of their soul's purpose. Ultimately, embracing the lessons and challenges presented by Life Path 6 is key to unlocking their true potential and spiritual growth. By cultivating self-awareness, practicing compassion, and aligning with divine wisdom, Life Path 6 individuals can transcend the limitations of the material world and experience profound levels of inner peace and fulfillment. As they walk their path with courage and conviction, they inspire others to embrace the light within themselves and join them on the journey towards collective awakening. In this exploration of Life Path 6, we've delved into the profound significance of this number as a symbol of balance, harmony, and responsibility. We've uncovered the nurturing, compassionate, and family-oriented nature of individuals with Life Path 6, highlighting their innate ability to create harmony in their lives and communities. We've also connected the concept of Life Path 6 with the sacred geometry of the flower of life, exploring its deeper meanings and its representation of creation and interconnectedness. Through the flower of life, we've seen how Life Path 6 individuals embody the principles of harmony and unity, striving to create balance in their lives and in the world around them. Whether you resonate with this life path or simply seek to cultivate these virtues within yourself, Know that by embodying the spirit of life path 6, you can bring greater balance and healing to yourself and those around you. If you're interested in numerology, manifestation, and personal and spiritual growth, please like this video and feel free to check out our numerology playlists. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.